Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and today I've got to sell this. It's a Honda CB1000R. Really nice is this, super clean. It's a 2009 on a 59 plate. It's only done 10,032 miles. It's got a fair few extras on this. It's got all the anodised blue bits just to match the R on the back and the top of the yokes. Really nice. It's also got the R&G protection on the sides. Again, a blue bolt kit on there. It's got a D-cat, an aftermarket Delcavic exhaust, tail tidy, it's got a hugger, it's got the belly pan on there as well. Fuel top there, just again change with the blue bolts and also a protector on top. All the reservoir caps again blue, and that screen on there as well. Give it a start up so you can hear it. So just as good as it looks. Anyway guys, all you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, simply just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.